everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to take a look at the Leeson 3-in-1 foldable charging station. Now if you're interested in this item, you can pick it up off of Amazon and it only costs $35.99. Now taking a look at the box, it's packed nicely. I like the colors, the black and the purple, and it has a little information on the back. But the big thing I noticed though is not only is it a 3-in-1 foldable charging station, but it's also wireless. And so with that said, let's open it up and see what's inside. So as we get it open here, we see the first thing we see coming out the box is some like an information card here. So be sure to take a look at that and read all the information that it has inside for you. Also, I noticed that it also comes with a cord, and this is a black USB-C cord. It is made nicely. It is braided, so it definitely will last you. So setting that to the side and reaching for the main item here that's in the plastic. This is a charging station. So automatically it tells me that this is a small charging station. It's compact, in other words. So getting it out the plastic here, we can see it is very, very compact. So this would definitely work out for you if you wanted to do some traveling. You can easily pop this in your bag. Looking at the back of it, I see it's a USB-C pin out, like the cord, of course. And like I said, it's foldable, so looks like you unfold it just like this. And so now you have your MagSafe, and right here would be what you would charge your watch on. And then this MagSafe piece here folds up like so, and this is where you would be able to charge your AirPods. And so that is very nice. The Leeson 3-in-1 foldable charging station. So that works out real cool. Tell you what, let's grab a cord right quick and plug it up and see how it functions. So now that it's all plugged up, as you can see, it's very compact, which is something I like. You can easily take it with you, or if you have it on your nightstand, it won't take up that much room. So I'll grab my iPhone, and then we're going to connect it to the MagSafe portion here, and it connects like so. As you can see, the animation as it showed that it is connected and it's charging. And so we want to take our Apple Watch here and we want to connect it over to the watch section of the charger, and that has a magnetic piece too. And as you can see, the animation shows that it is charging. And then like we said, if you have some AirPods, unfortunately I don't have any, you would charge it right here on the back, and it's like a little emblem. So this is pretty nice. 3-in-1 low profile compact wireless charger. And if you want to lay your iPhone all the way down, you can just mash that all the way down if you don't have AirPods, and then just set it down like so. And again, you see the animation. So this is super nice. That's the big thing I like about this, is that it's compact, low profile, takes a very little room. So this is the Leeson 3-in-1 foldable charging station. So that's about it for our video for today. Hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and share this video with your friends and family. And be sure to hit that bell icon so you can be notified of new content. So again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.